So it's early in the morning and we are at the job site and we're just sitting waiting. Like crickets. No one's on site, no one's there. There's no confirmation of the concrete showing up. Footings, foundation, it's all ready to be poured. Nothing. And then, like that, guys show up, trucks show up, everyone's there. I'm like, I turn my head for a minute and all of a sudden everyone's there. It's crazy.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Everyone's coming in, tools on, belts on, jumping in, concrete starts pouring, starts shooting, and it's beautiful. So just like that, we have our forms done, we have the concrete set, and we are ready to start this project. I'm very excited to see this thing moving. Coming from the design side of these projects, seeing the amount of effort that it takes to really design a project and the amount of time it takes to get it there, and then to finally see the production happening, it's a big move forward. Because up until the project starts, it's all conceptual. It's all just talking about ideas and do you like this and how should we do that? And feeding off of the clients, feeding off of you. Are they trusting you with something? Are you trying to give them something that they want? Is there a past project that they want to emulate? All of these things kind of come together and you're like, uh-oh, no more talking, it's time to do. So as this starts, I'm getting excited because this is actually the first project that we're doing this house call series with, and to see it start coming together and start forming a life of its own is very exciting. So concrete gets poured, and now we are completing the demo phase on the framing, and we are actually starting to frame out the whole structure. And that's what we're looking at today, right? We are seeing the frame come together. We're seeing the rooms get framed out, the bathrooms getting reframed, complete master bedroom appearing out of nowhere inside the old garage. We now have a primary bedroom in there. So seeing that come together, seeing what the kitchen's gonna look like, and how the flow of the house is now gonna begin to feel. Most people can't really get that feeling until drywall, just because everything still feels open. You'll walk into that front door and you can still see through a wall, you can still see through bedrooms, and nothing is yet framed in. So for me, I can come into a home and I can feel the flow, right? Because it's happened to me. I've been through a hallway and known what it's gonna feel like once drywall is in. But most people, once drywall is in, then they go, this room feels so small. It felt so big before. And that's never the case. It's always the same size. It hasn't shrunk. That's wrong. It's shrunk by about 1.5 inches altogether. But overall, the room is the same size, and now we really get to start having some fun with the finishes and getting the house prepped for the real stuff, the real design fun stuff. So I'm looking forward to that.